Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the crazy move here today, but you got to give credit where credit's due. An extremely nice bounce. I mean, you factor in that at one point the price had dropped all the way down here, and then when the price was able to work its way back up to where it did, I mean, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, don't get me wrong, but you also have to admit that, yeah, that was a great move, but that does lead to the valid question of, but it was there, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 42. Why is 42 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power or true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 42. If the price were to come down here to 42, and then just keep on going, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be quite literally putting the price right back to where it was at those lows when it was flirting with, the all-time lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, price comes down here, behaves in this manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have a low down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 42 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. It's all about that purple line, which on my chart represents the very well-known 50-period moving average. You can see that's where the price struggled with it quite a bit throughout the course of the day, and the current value of that is right up there at the 46-cent mark. So watch that closely, but all in all, anyway, look at it. Nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon the bounce next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.